Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just everything that I've been loving lately. I haven't done one of these in such a long time. I thought I would just catch up with you guys while I go through my favorite things, none of which are sponsored, but I have linked everything down below and some are affiliate links to help support my channel. But enough of the boring stuff, let's get into what I've been loving this month. First up, I have a food item, and I discovered this probably, beginning of October, right early beginning of October, because we were traveling. And that is this fruit and nut mix. So this is by Gourmet Nut. It's their Power Up line, and the variety is the Mega Omega Trail Mix. So we ended up getting this specific trail mix just because we were going to be doing some traveling, and I always like to have a few snacky things for the airplane. Sean actually picked this up for me. I had no idea what he was going to end up getting, but when I opened it, I was so happy. So in it has walnuts, dried mango, almonds, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. And I think the combination of the nuts and seeds with the mangoes and cranberries is what makes it absolutely amazing. You get the crunch from the nuts and seeds, but then you get the sweetness from the fruit. So I absolutely love this. Plus it's a really healthy snack to have on hand, but at the same time you have to be very cautious so you don't eat the entire bag. I could easily eat through all of it. It is so good. Now another food item that I have is, I don't have with me because I already had it this morning and I'm trying to limit myself, and that is just cinnamon dolce lattes or even just a vanilla latte. In the colder months when it starts to drop in temperature, I absolutely love to drink a latte. Specifically the cinnamon dolce lattes just really pull at my heartstrings. They've got that nice cinnamony flavor and it just kind of warms your soul when it's nice and cold outside, so I've been loving those lately. Next up, I want to share a few clothing items, and the first one being the new Erin Condren hoodies that they released at the beginning of the month. So it just is a big oversized sweatshirt, and it has their classic asterisk on the front, and then on the back it says create, motivate, inspire. And this hoodie is so comfortable. I've been living in it the last couple days. It is so soft, it is so warm, and it's actually really long as well, which I really like because a lot of times sweatshirts kind of tend to ride up on me, but this one fits perfectly and I've been loving it. I did end up buying their gray sweatshirt as well in a small. This one is an extra small, and the extra small is even a little too big. Just take that into consideration when you're picking out your size. But I've been living in this sweatshirt. It's so comfortable and I love the color. It's not too pink, it's not too bright, it's just like a perfect fall shade of mauve, I suppose. So I've been loving this. The other thing besides this specific sweatshirt is just sweaters in general. I got this one from the Banana Republic factory store, and I absolutely love it. It's got like a nice cute little scalloped detailing along the neckline, but along with sweaters I've been living in leggings, specifically my Lululemon leggings. I just absolutely love these things. I got them last year for my birthday from Sean, and they are just perfect for the fall. I mean, sweaters and leggings are pretty much my everyday outfit when it comes to the fall time. So now I've covered the clothing items that I've been loving. I'm going to kind of transfer over to beauty items. And the first one being from Lush. So I have been using their shampoo and conditioner bars probably since September, maybe even August. I don't quite remember. But I recently just went in and got 2 more because the bars I had were running out. But I just have a conditioner bar and a shampoo bar as well. And honestly, they all smell amazing. It's just kind of fun to use these. You get to rub them on your head, and it's just kind of different than your typical shampoo or conditioner that's a liquid. I really like that they don't have any packaging, so I'm not being wasteful with the containers once they are empty. I'm not throwing them in the trash or even recycling them because there's no packaging to even deal with. You can also buy little reusable tins for the shampoo and conditioner bars. That way they're not sitting in water in your shower. So that's what I use. But if this at all sounds somewhat interesting to you guys, then I highly recommend you go to your local Lush store or even just head online and check out their website. They have a ton of different options, and each one has different benefits and can help your hair in different ways and is better for certain hair types rather than others, and there's just a lot that goes into it, and I'm really excited to have found some shampoo and conditioner that I really love. Next up on the docket, I actually don't have this in a full-size product. I've only ever used it in sample size, and it is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. And the reason I've been loving it this month specifically is because it's gotten colder out, which means that the air has gotten a lot drier. Now, I live in a climate where the air is usually dry anyway, but now that we're getting colder, it's worse, and my skin absolutely hates it. It gets dry and cracked and flaky, and it's just not good. So I actually ended up finding this in my drawer with all of my samples, and I tried it out, and it was amazing. It made my skin so smooth and supple, like literally the next day after using it, and I was just very, very happy with the results from this. So I will be purchasing this in full size once it gets a little bit colder and a little bit drier here. But I absolutely love this and recommend this for anybody that is dealing with dry skin. Along with skincare, I also have a cleanser that I've been loving, and this is the OC Ocean Cleanser. I've used quite a bit of it so far, and I haven't really seen any negative side effects to it, but I also haven't seen anything that is astounding. I think my skin has finally found like a natural balance, and it hasn't really been breaking out a lot. It doesn't get too oily as often. And in all honesty, I'm just looking for a cleanser that can just wash my face. I'm not looking for anything specific because I don't really have too many like problem areas or specific things that I'm trying to fix or make better, I suppose. I'm explaining that not very well. But I've really been liking this cleanser just because it hasn't had any kind of reaction with my skin at all. I have very sensitive skin, so I've found this super useful, and I really just like this one. The reason I picked it up was because Ellen Fisher had recommended it. She's also a YouTuber on here, and I just thought I would try it out because she recommended it. So real quick, I also wanted to throw in here that I have been loving yoga this month. I've really kind of started to feel out a little bit of a flow without any guidance. So in the past, I've always watched YouTube videos or used tutorials or different things, gone to classes, but recently I've really been trying to create a flow when I'm by myself without any distractions or any guidance, like I said. And I've been doing it at night a lot recently. So right before I go to bed, I have some space here on my floor, and I just wanted to throw that in there because I've been absolutely loving it recently. It's kind of helped to calm myself down before going to bed, and I found that very useful when it comes to falling asleep. The last item I wanted to share with you guys today is actually a cleaning product, and it is the Method Daily Shower Spray. So I got this when I placed my very first order on Grove Collaborative. If you guys don't know what they are, make sure to go check out my 2 other videos I have. They are Grove Collaborative unboxing videos. In those videos, I explain exactly what it is and how it works. I'll make sure to pop them up here on the screen and down below in the description box so you can check them out. But in my very first order, I got the Daily Shower Spray, and I wasn't really sure what to expect from it. I just thought, hey, you know, it'd be great to have. Well, I've almost completely finished the bottle, and I'm loving it. Our shower is sparkling. I've never seen our shower so clean. Now, we probably scrub down our shower every other week, and it's clean, but it never sparkles, it never shines. And after using this, it's amazing. Like, I've never seen our shower so clean. And Sean's mom has mentioned this to me before as well. She actually got the same exact daily shower spray when she went on Grove Collaborative, and she was like, Hayley, my shower is so clean, and it's so much easier to clean when it comes time to go and scrub your shower. So I highly recommend this if you have an ultra dirty shower, or you want something to maintain the cleanliness of your shower between washings or scrubbings or cleanings or whatever you want to call cleaning your shower. But I highly recommend this. It doesn't smell too chemically. The scent is eucalyptus mint. I think it actually smells pretty good, and it just does a really good job of keeping your shower clean. I mean, I don't know what else I can say about it. It is fantastic. Alright, you guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you've been loving this past month. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.